Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Litecoin. On a daily time frame chart, Litecoin has once again reached the resistance of this falling wedge pattern. And in today's video, we will once again take a look at this move. And I would also like to share with you my most recent trade signal for Litecoin that I shared a few days back on 17th of July 2023 with my members, which is still in play. And I would also like to share with you a long-term trade signal that I shared last year with my members, and that move is also still in play. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because here I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. And first of all, let me begin with my most recent trade signal for Litecoin that I shared on 17th of July 2023 with my members. And that was a harmonic bullish reversal Gartley pattern that Litecoin formed with US dollar pair on a daily time frame chart. In fact, it was completing the final leg of this Gartley move. If I zoom this chart out, then you can see that it was very close to enter in this buying zone. And if I play this chart, then you can see that the price line has finally entered in this buying zone here, and now it is geared up. And I'm expecting that soon it will reach the sell target zone here. And before that, I shared this very long-term trade signal for my members last year on 29th of May, 2022. And that was another very, very huge Gartley move that was formed on the monthly time frame chart. And if I play this chart, then you can see that the price line has geared up, and I'm expecting that soon it will reach the sell target zone here. By the way, the sell target zone starts from $224 and goes to $348. And I have defined the sell target zone as per the Fibonacci sequence of this Gartley pattern. Now, let me to take you to the live chart of Litecoin. And this is the daily time frame chart, and you can see that for the past several days, Litecoin is moving inside this falling wedge pattern. And you can see once again we are reached the resistance of this wedge. And you can also observe that the movement is also getting squeezed inside this wedge pattern. And therefore, I'm expecting that soon it can break this pattern. And in fact, this is a bullish bias pattern. Therefore, there are more chances for the breakout. Now, for example, if the price line breaks down the support of this falling wedge pattern, then in case of breaking down, the target to the downside can be approximately at $70. And in case of breaking out, the target to the upside can be here at the top of the wedge. That will be approximately at $115. And you can see we also have this red line working as a resistance. That is an EMA 21 on the daily time frame chart. And after breaking out the resistance of the wedge, the price line will also need to break out this EMA 21 on the daily time frame chart as well. Now, if we switch to the weekly time frame chart, then in case the price breaks out the wedge and reaches here to hit the target of this wedge at $115, then on a weekly time frame chart, it can break out the resistance of this very, very big ascending triangle as well. Right now, you can see that the price line is testing this downtrend line support that was previously working as a resistance here. You can see we got rejection here and here and here. And this time after the breakout, the price line is retesting the previous downtrend line resistance as a support. Therefore, now there is a probability that it may gear up very soon and break out the resistance of this triangle. And you can see that the resistance of the triangle is approximately at $100. And now if we take a look at the final target for this breakout from this triangle, once it will be able to break it out, then the target will be here. That will be approximately at $250. And the final target for this huge breakout from this big falling wedge pattern will be here at the top of the wedge. That can be between $400 to $500. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because here I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.